Fourth point is fasting. Willful fasting purifies the body. Instead of overeating and inviting the disease, it, it is the sign of intellect to eat little less than required and enjoy the healthy state of the body. In the aim of fasting control over the mind, tyranny of sense, fasting over eating, required balanced diet, etc., are included in which purification of mind and body are main. Fifth point is sad vichar. Bad thoughts is the seed of diseases and good thought is the seed of health. Sixth point is sadachar. Sadachar means sat plus achar. Whereas achar pretends to behavior. Hence, sadachar makes an individual facing towards the God. Good thoughts is not created without good company, and sadachar is not created without good thoughts. The quality of good behavior is sattva gnun. The third point is homeopathy. This method is based on the principle of curing naturally the diseases. The basic principle of this method is like curious like. This means that a disease should be given the medicine of the symptoms of the disease. This method is prevalent based on the complaints of the patient. In this method, the proportion of the medicine remains very measured. The plus point of this medicine is that there is no side effect. Basic principle like curious like means the medicine having the same symptoms are as those of the disease cures the patient. At a time, only one type of medicine is to be given. The quantity dose of the medicine should be minimum. That is, medicine is to be given in very little dose. The effect of the medicine should be tested on a healthy person. The medicine prepared for human beings cannot be tested on the animals because the constitutions of the bodies of human being and those of the animals are different. The fourth point is naturopathy, nisargupchar. The treatment being done by means of the natural element is called naturopathy. The important element of this treatment are water, clay, light and the air. In this treatment, external medicine, tablet, injection or the chemicals are not used of. Now we shall get information regarding to the following treatment making the use of natural element, water therapy, clay treatment, sunlight treatment, air treatment. The first point water therapy, Jar Chikitsa. Water therapy means the therapy being given by various water experiments. Water has the tendency to catch up both the heat and the cold. When there is fever, cold water piece of cloth is applied, which lessens the fever. Mostly such piece of cloth is put on the forehead of the patient. Such piece of water can also be put on the stomach. When there is a sprain on the ankle of the leg or when there is a swelling on any part of the body, hot water fermentation is given, which reduces the swelling. For this type of fermentation, hot water bag can be used filled with hot water. To reduce the swelling, another method is of dipping the swell part of the body alternately in hot and the cold water for the duration of 1 minute each. Over and above vapor both on steam bath, enema, etc., experimental treatment also can be done. The second point is clay treatment. मिट्टी के उपचार. Clay gives cooling effect, absorbs the poison and reduce swelling, burning, etc. Ponds clay without sticky black mud or the clay of an ant hills should be dried in the sunshine. It should be cleaned and crushed and then should be sifted it and it should be drenched. One should take care that there are no chemical, dirt, and unpleasant smell. Such drenched clay should be applied on the respective organ of the body. In thick layer, such clay can be applied on the stomach, the inner part of the abdomen, below the navel or the eyelid, and over the spine. The third point is sunlight treatment. सूर्य प्रकाश के उपचार. Under the sunlight, various insects cannot harm us. After sunrise, if we stand under the sunlight for half an hour, it increases the luster yani तेज of our eyes, and ultraviolet rays in the sunlight help us getting vitamin D which strengthen our bones. If there is swelling on any part of the body and if the part is buried under the hot sand of the river, it reduces the swelling. Air treatment यानी हवा उपचार. Air is an animate power of the human body. In its absence, a man cannot survive. Especially the individual having the trouble of lungs should walk in the open air. They should keep the windows and the doors of their house open to get enough air.